This mobile app pays you money instantly, and you can download this app completely free on both iPhone and Android. So if you want to make a lot of money just using your phone, this app is created especially for you. I will easily and affordably, step-by-step explain how you too can make money just using your phone. If you spend a lot of time on your phone scrolling through social media, this method can turn your free time into money. So make sure you stay here until the very end so you don't miss anything important. But before we start, welcome back to my channel, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Now this app that you can earn money from is called Feature Points. Feature Points is a mobile app that pays users to download and complete an online paid survey. It's been owned and operated by TapGen Core since 2012. This rewarding app will compensate you with points that you can exchange for a Visa gift card or PayPal money. It allows you to boost your income while working from home and requires no prior expertise. To get started, all you need is a reliable internet connection and a smartphone or laptop. What I like about Feature Points is that it's free to join and it can be an easy way to make money online. There are a huge number of offers available and there are several payment options including PayPal and Amazon gift cards. Feature Points, as I mentioned, is available for both Android and iOS devices, so this means that almost anyone is able to install the app on their devices. Now, how you can earn money in Feature Points is that you're able to choose from the many different surveys, and you can also do the tasks available at the offer wall that they provide. If you want to join Feature Points and earn money, go to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and type in Feature Points in the search bar, and once you find the Feature Points app, make sure to click on install and download it to your device. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Once the app has finished installing, make sure to go to the app itself. From there you will be greeted with the options to either sign up or log in. If you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and click on sign up and enter your credentials there. You will need an active email address to join, then you will input your last name and your first name, then you'll have to pick a password for your Feature Points account. If you prefer to, alternatively you can use your Apple, Facebook or Google account to join instead of creating an account from scratch. Feature Points offers a myriad of possibilities and methods which enables you to generate income from taking a survey to doing tasks such as downloading an app. Taking paid surveys is one of the most efficient ways to earn Feature Points. It contains a large number of surveys, so if you join, this is something to think about. After completing the registration process, you can earn 50 points by entering a referral code. Following that, Feature Points will prompt you to select your first reward, which you can change at any time. Then after that you can begin doing many different tasks, ranging from installing apps, watching videos and completing surveys to access surveys. You must first complete the About You part, which consists of only 4 questions. Only your date of birth, gender, country and postcode will be requested. After completing the task you will receive 10 points. Feature Points has teamed up with marketing research organizations such as Sente AB, Pollfish, Precision Sample, like CISO Rewards, and Tab Research to access more survey questions and obtain more invitations. You must answer further profiling questions. You can unlock Tap Research and Pollfish panels. After completing your first profiling inquiry, About You Tap Research. Surveys are often short, 1 to 12 minutes, and award fewer than 300 points. Taking paid surveys is one of the most efficient ways to earn on Feature Points. It contains a large number of surveys, so if you join, this is something to think about. Simply respond to the survey's questions, and you will win a prize on your Feature Points account. Furthermore, the number of surveys to which you'll have access varies greatly depending on where you live. Other chances will be plentiful in some places, while available surveys will be few in others. Paid survey opportunities on Feature Points, on the other hand, are frequently good and worth taking advantage of as a way to boost your income. Another quick and simple way to earn money on Feature Points is to download apps. Once you've logged into Feature Points, you can see the apps available for download and earn money. To earn points in this section, you must not only install the app, but also follow the instructions. Some apps require you to use it for a few minutes, while others ask you to take specific steps. It depends on the app. If the app is a game, you may have to play it for a while or reach a certain level to get rewarded. With this method, you can earn money by downloading apps and doing what is asked of you. After downloading the app, these tasks may be stuff like get to level 10 of this game, kill the specific boss, and other similar things. Of course, you can only earn by doing this from your phone or tablet, as these are the only devices that allow you to earn by downloading apps. You can see exactly what you need to do to obtain your reward for installing the app and the terms. Sometimes all that is required is to download the program and run it for a few minutes. You may need to complete a level in the game you downloaded to receive your prize. Most of the time, the larger the prize, the more effort you must put in to achieve it, which is understandable. If you enjoy playing mobile games though, this could be a great way to learn about new games while actually getting paid to play them. Feature Points also allows you to earn cash back on products and services you buy from one of their partner stores. Many companies that support Feature Points cashback are companies like Adidas, Microsoft, Alibaba, Walmart, and others are among those that support this feature. Depending on the store and the things you purchase, you can earn anywhere from 0.5 to 27 cashback. Simply click the Shop Now link under Feature Points to buy the product directly from the merchant's website and get that extra cashback. Once you've earned enough points on the Feature Points platform, you can redeem the points for a number of different rewards, and the good thing is there are things for everybody. You can claim rewards such as money via PayPal, Amazon gift card. You can also claim the points for Starbucks gift cards, iTunes gift cards, and so much more. Just make sure to head over to the Feature Points app and get started in earning cash the easy way, and that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.